Guys, kakatapos na namin pumunta dito sa The Mansion. Yan, ito lang naman siya sa tapat ng Wright Park. Halos magkatabi lang sila, guys. Ito naman yung Wright Park. Welcome, Wright Park. Yan. Meron dito, guys. Welcome, Pool of Pines. Said to be inspired by the design of the Taj Mahal, the Pool of Pines direct the eye towards the primary structure that is the mansion house. It is now called Pool of Pines because its water reflects the pine trees that grow alongside. This 100-meter-long pool could be reached from the Wright Park Bridle path by ascending the connecting long stone paved stairway. So, tawag pala dito guys sa mahabang ano na to ay Pool of Pines. Ito yun guys, yung sinasabing Pool of Pines. Yan, 100 meters yung haba niya. Ayan siya.